Hello everyone! Today, we're going to draw and color some fun and different versions of SpongeBob and Patrick. So, are you ready? Let's grab our colors and bring these fun SpongeBob and Patrick drawings to life. Let's get started.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.